All right, I'm in Chinatown with the famous Eric. The famous Eric. Wait, what's your handle again?
This YouTube.
Oh yeah. What's your
Save image _ save image.
Oh yeah, okay. I'll just link him in the description. But this guy right here.
We're taking him around the city, local spots, no tourist spots. Oh, damn, you can't even see me.
Yeah,
no tourist spots, local spots only.
It's like tracking my face. That's why. But yeah, we're in Chinatown right now. Pell Street, pretty cool street. Definitely gotta come here at nighttime when it's all lit up.
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk around. We're gonna go to Brooklyn, Dumbo. You know the Instagrammer place. But yeah, we're just gonna walk around. Maybe get some food. All right, guys. So in this only this view, you can see the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building right next to each other, with this building in between. It's kind of hard to see. There it is. I walked all the way over here. But here is the city skyline. You got the One World Trade Center over there. It's not focusing because it's the fence. And then you got Midtown over there, and then Uptown is over here. We just walked across the Manhattan Bridge. We're headed to Dumbo, the Brooklyn side. Yeah, I feel that rain. Yeah, it was supposed to rain today, but it's pretty dry out and humid, so it's kind of hot. But yeah, we're about to be in Dumbo. And these trains run 24/7, so it's loud as fuck. There it is, Dumbo. I'm sure everybody's seen this place. Instagram favorite. Dumbo. This view is one of the best views in New York City. You get the whole view of downtown. Oh, the Empire State Building is blue tonight, royal blue. But yeah, down here for sunset, for the lights to come on, and I'm going to go down here to see the basketball courts, because it's like right on the pier. It's really cool. The background view of the basketball courts is the city. All right, guys, I'm here at Pier 5. Pier 5, they have the huge, it's like 5 full court basketball courts, and there's 2 on the very edge of the pier that backlit. The skyline is right in the back, so it's pretty dope. And then they have a bunch of pickleball courts, and then wall ball, little half courts. It's pretty great, pretty cool. I don't got nothing like this in LA. back towards Brooklyn Park and get the train and head in, charge up my gear, and then probably go fly, go somewhere in the city to fly my drone or whatever. So I'll see you back in Manhattan. This view is crazy. So, should be another long day tomorrow. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you tomorrow. Alright guys, I gotta go to sleep. It's already almost 1 a.m. So, this is the Life of Mikey. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.